Let's still refresh this page again so that you see that they are actually still coming in. So let's refresh now. From 6 now, you can see we have 47 followers from 6. So we have 47 followers, right? If you still go back to that inbox, click on it, you can see right here, you see the 41 new followers. Can you see? And if you click on it, you see that these people are just coming in. You can see they are just coming in now. So if you still go back and refresh, you can see it have already even refreshed by itself. We have 52 followers. Very simple, easy peasy. In today's video, I would like you guys to watch me grow TikTok account from 0 followers to 100 followers, right? Instant. You just watch me to grow this particular page instantly within few minutes. All right, so let's go there. So the first thing you need to do actually is for you to come to this website. This website I'm going to be introducing you guys in this video, it's called growbetter.net, right? So all you need to do is just to come to this platform, create an account, right, and fund your account and do exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So if you are in Ghana, you can check out growbettergh.com, right? So right here is the website, as you can see here on the screen. All right, so when you come to the website, this is exactly how it look like. And if you want to create an account, all you need to do is for you to just scroll down right here, and you can see this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up? You just need to tap on it, right? So when you tap on it, and you're going to see this place there where they tell you to create a username. You just need to create a username right here, and also this email. Put your email right here. Create a password, right, and also confirm your password. After confirming your password, the next you need to do is just to click on this I'm not a robot. Can you see? Just tap on it that you're not a robot, right? And it is going to tick, and once it's tick, then click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. And due to because I already have an account, there is no need for me to actually start creating a new account from scratch. So I'm going to be logging into my account to actually show you guys how we do this thing. And before I log into my account, I want to show you guys something. This is the TikTok account we are going to be growing. So as you can see, this TikTok right here, you can see it has 0 followers, 0 likes, 0 everything, right? So we are going to be doing it in this video. All you need to do just to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So I'm going to be logging into my account and come back so that we can proceed, right? So guys, right here I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, you can see my account right here. So when you log into your account, or when you create an account and you log in, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. So if you want to actually grow a TikTok followers, what you need to do is for you to just come and click on this category right here. Can you see this category right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on the category, you just need to go and scroll down. For right here you can see Instagram followers, Instagram views, likes, blah blah blah. But right now, today we are going to be growing TikTok instead. So we just need to scroll down, and as you can see right here, you can see TikTok followers right here. Can you see TikTok followers right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next you need to do is for you to actually come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you can go through on all these services right here. But I'm going to be selecting the first one. I just need to tap on the first one, and you can see. So the next thing I need to do, basically, which is important that you do when you are in this platform, is for you to read description. So right now we need to read description to understand this particular service that we're going for, what we are to expect, right? So right here they say the minimum we can order is 100 followers, and the max we can order is 300,000 followers. And also they say the link type we need, which is the link we're going to be putting inside this platform in order to get these followers, is our TikTok profile followers. It is our TikTok profile link, right? So quality right here is global users. All right, so the people you are going to be getting is global users. All right, so right here they say note, when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process changes. So when the service is busy, the speed of starting might change. So what you need to do is, if you make an order, just wait for it. Definitely it's going to start. Right here they say do not place a second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So if your order have not been completed, do not place another order on that same link, because it's going to compromise it and it will cause delay. Both of them is not going to work. All right, so after we read the description, which is you now understanding what you want to actually do in this platform, all right, the next thing is for you to actually come right here. You see link, and paste your TikTok profile link. Your profile link. Do not post your post link. If you put your post link, it will not work. What you need to put is your profile link. right? So you just need to come right here and put your profile link. So if you don't know how to copy your profile link, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So let's go to TikTok. We just need to go back to that TikTok. You just tap on it and you can see we are on the TikTok. You can still see we have 00 everything. So if you want to get your link, all you need to do is just to come and tap on this arrow right here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just need to tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will bring you right here, and you can see by your left hand side, you can see this copy link right here. You just need to tap on the copy link, right, and your link is copied. You just need to come back to this platform and paste the link and put it inside, and come down to this quantity, which is actually the amount of followers you want to get. But in this video, I'm going to be doing only 100. So I just need to put 100 right here. That will the road quantity. And the next thing I need to do basically is for me to actually click on this submit. Can you see the submit right here? You can see the submit. I just need to tap on it, and you can see right here they say your order received. So my order have been received successfully. So all I need to do is for me to just wait, and these followers will start coming into my page. Very simple. So but there is something I want you guys to understand, that in this platform, all these things you are doing is not free, so you need to pay money for you to actually enjoy them. So how do you now add money into this platform? Wait, let me show you. You just need to come and click on this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? You just tap on it, and by your left hand side you're going to see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? You just need to tap on it. So once you tap on the add fund, you will see right here they have two payment methods. You don't need to click on this dot right here for you to actually see. You have two payment options. You can see Quora Pay, you can see manual, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. So if you select Quora Pay, maybe you want to use Quora Pay, all you need to do is just to come and put amount you want to put. I'm going to be putting 1,000, and you can see this pay right here. Tap on this pay. So once you tap on the pay, you just need to allow it to load, right? So once it load right here, Quora Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with a debit card, or would you like to pay with bank transfer, or you want to pay with bank? So depending on the one way you want. If you want to pay with debit card, just to select debit card and put your card details, and instantly, boom, your payment is going to be received. But if you want to pay with bank transfer, all you need to do is to click on this pay with bank transfer, and they are going to tell you to before you make transfer, that you should read this instruction. You don't need to read all this instruction and tell them I understand this instruction, and click on continue. And once you tap on continue, right, Quora Pay is going to give you an account number that you're going to send money to. You can see a Fidelity Bank account. You can see the account number right here. You can see the account name is Quora IGR Checkout. Okay, so what you need to understand, this account number lasts for only 1 hour. So if you make transfer to this account number, if you want to make another payment, you need to generate another one, just the same way I did right here. So do not use it twice. It expires every 1 hour. So all you need to do is just to go to your bank app and make payment to the account number. After you made the payment to the account number, you don't need to do anything, just wait, and your balance will automatically be updated. Easy peasy. Okay, so let me show you guys how to use manual. So when you come right here, select manual, you can see right here there is an instruction right here. They say kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number. You can see First Bank. You can see the name on it, Maximilian, and right here they say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. So right here they also say provide proof of payment, which is payment screenshot with your username, so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So either you click on that link, or you click on admin, or you click on contact us. It's going to be taking you to their WhatsApp number. All you need to do is just to send them the proof of payment, and they are going to confirm your payment. So but if you don't understand, you just click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? Once you tap on it, and instantly they are going to once you tap on it, it's going to take you to their WhatsApp number. Then all you need to do basically just to send your proof of payment, and send your GrowBeta username, and they are going to confirm and complete your payment. Very simple. So right now, if you understand how to create an account and also how to fund an account, right? So let's go back to that TikTok that we boosted in order for us to see how many followers that the TikTok have right now. So let's go. So we don't need to head back to TikTok, right? But what we need to do, if you look up right here, you can see somebody just followed us. No. So what we need to do right now is for us to just refresh. So let's refresh, and as you can see, I just refreshed, and you can see we have 5 new followers. And if you come to this inbox right here, you can see this inbox right here, tap on it, and you can see Z started following you. You can see right here, you can see these people are just following us now. You can see started following you just now. So what we are going to be doing is for us to just refresh again, and you can see they are now 6. So guys, let's still refresh this page again so that you see that they are actually still coming in. So let's refresh now from 6. Now you can see we have 47 followers. From CISO, we have 47 followers, right? If you still go back to that inbox, click on it, you can see right here, you see the 41 new followers. Can you see? And if you click on it, you see that these people are just coming in. You can see they are just coming in now, 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 now. So if you still go back and refresh, you can see it have already even refreshed by itself. We have 52 followers. Very simple, easy peasy. You can see how I just grew this page from 0 followers to 50 something followers. Nah. So all you need to do is for you to just go to this platform, growbetter.net, right? If you're in Ghana, go to growbettergh.com, right? I'm going to be putting the links in the description. So all you need to do is just to create an account and fund your account and do exactly what I just did in this video, and you start getting these followers. Easy peasy. So if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.